Let's make a deliciously quick and mouth-watering chicken shawarma. We'll start with 750 grams of boneless chicken breast, cut into large pieces, just like these. Now for the marinade. Add salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of chicken powder. That one's optional. Next, 1 tablespoon of tikka masala, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Mine's a little watery, but that's okay. Squeeze in half a lemon, and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of buttermilk. This is crucial for keeping the chicken juicy. A pinch of orange food color, 2 tablespoons of oil, and mix everything together until the marinade coats the chicken completely. Let it rest for at least 10-20 minutes. If you can marinate it overnight, even better, but today we're keeping it quick. For the salad, take a capsicum and cut it into thin julienne strips. I'm using a yellow bell pepper, but red or green works too. Use any veggies you like to add that crunch. I've also got some iceberg lettuce, finely sliced, and 1 small onion, thinly cut. Transfer everything into a bowl and season with black pepper, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and half a lemon's juice. Give it a good mix, and there you have it, your crunchiest, yummiest salad ready. Now my secret garlic sauce. Take a whole bulb of garlic, that's about 7 to 8 cloves. Add 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon cumin seeds, a pinch of oregano, 1/2 dried red chili. Next, 3 heaping tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of dairy cream, salt to taste, 3 tablespoons olive oil, 1.5 tablespoons sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1/2 lemon's juice, and 1 tablespoon white vinegar. Pour in 2 tablespoons of milk, blend, and check the texture. I ended up adding 3 more tablespoons of milk, so about 5 in total. You can adjust according to your preferred consistency. Trust me, this sauce is game-changing. Set it aside. Cooking the chicken. Heat 6-7 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Fry the chicken on medium flame for 7-8 minutes on each side until beautifully golden. Take your time, since these are thick breast pieces, they need a few extra minutes to cook through. And for that smoky restaurant-style flavor, give it a quick charcoal smoke. It's optional, but it truly elevates the taste. Once done, transfer the chicken onto a cutting board and slice it like this. Just look how juicy it is. That's all thanks to the buttermilk in our marinade. Assembling the shawarma. You can use pita bread, tortilla, or any flatbread of your choice. Spread a generous layer of garlic sauce, add a drizzle of ketchup or sriracha, followed by our fresh salad and juicy chicken pieces. Top with a little more sauce, roll it up tightly, and grill it in a sandwich maker for about 2 minutes so it holds its shape. Repeat the same for the rest, and there you go, a plate full of irresistible homemade chicken shawarmas. Serve them warm, share them with your family, and don't forget to leave me a lovely comment telling me how you liked this recipe. I'll see you soon in another one, my lovely audience. Take care and happy cooking!